Hello dear friends, this is Shiva here, and many people are asking me what are the important qualifications required for entering SAP field or any IT field, right? So the main thing actually, as per SAP field is concerned, uh, the candidate requires functional, domain, technical, and also the project related or IT related solution architecturing, deployment configuration management, test and defect management, requirement management gatheration, emerging technologies, right? So these are the important thing actually one person should need. Okay, and this is GV Shivakkumar. Thanks for watching my videos. Let us briefly explain what are the qualifications required for a SAP for joining a consultant in an IT firm as a SAP consultant or any product field as an SAP consultant. The important qualifications, first thing, functional. So the functional in the sense technology trends, what are the recent technology trends you need to know, and then solution design, how to design a solution, how to map the solution in SAP to match the requirement, and then project management, and then IT related tools and process, service support and maintenance, and knowledge management. These are the important functional aspect functional requirements for a SAP consultant. Okay, and then domain experience in the sense finance and accounting, leadership and professional development, and client focus, managing a rapid change, right? You need to accustom with the change, and execution excellence. So how far you are better executing a particular task, how soon you are getting a solution, how soon you are approaching the problem, how soon you are fixing the issues. So all this matters in the execution excellence. How much percentage deviation from the actual, whether you are coping up with the expected results, and then build collaboration relations, effective communications, right? So these are the domain skills required or expected from a consultant. Okay, and in case of technical, so SAP related development, SAP and its integration with third party systems or any third party network connections, building an integrated systems, setting up an interfaces, so developing the business process and mapping in SAP, and developing a program for a technical consultant, ABAP or HANA developer. So these things matter. How soon you can approach, how soon you can get the requirement from the client, and how the functional consultant is demonstrating or sharing the gathered information and pass it to the technical consultant, how soon they can able to develop a particular product or a requirement. This matters, the technical requirement, right? The stuff of the core SAP knowledge. Okay, and then solution architecture, you know how to design an architecture, which model to be integrated, which process to be incorporated. So how soon you can get expected results, which tools or which models are required to get an effective overview of process which satisfies the client. So all this matters as solution architecturing, which falls under the device rules and policy, what SAP is expected, right? And then deployment and configuration management, and test and defect management, requirements management, and emerging technologies. So in any interview they will look for the functional knowledge, domain knowledge, and technical knowledge, and all this architecture, configuration, deployment, test and defect management, requirement management, emerging technologies. So all these things they will look for from a consultant, and they will rate If 1 means a learner and 2 means a practitioner, 3 means a specialist, and rating 4 will shows you are an expert. So if you are not applicable to any of the technologies, say for example functional skill you are not known to solution design, then they will give you not applicable, or native means 0. Okay, so the minimum score will give you the how much proficiency, or a high score will show you how you are good in excellent in proficiency and everything. So these are the requirement actually mainly saying for any SAP consultant or IT consulting guys should develop or should knowledge themselves in the area of functional domain field, and then technical field, and then project management related thing, right? Configuration, deployment, testing, all these things, actually emerging technologies, how to apply the tools, everything matters. So these are the main requirements for an SAP or IT consultant, yeah, where the company is looking for from every consultants. So I hope actually you need to, before attending interviews, you need to concentrate on your functional knowledge, domain knowledge, and then improve your technical knowledge. These are the very important thing. Then comes the project management tools, and then change management, defect management, all these things, right? Solution design, requirement management, gathering, everything, right? So this is a part of the project management, right? So when you need to cultivate all this positive attitude and showcasing in an interview is very important requirement for any functional or technical consultant. For especially for a functional consultant, he should good in showcasing his knowledge, his experience, so that how much or how soon you can attract the interviewer, that matters your offer offer package. Okay, so that much easier you are getting into an SAP industry. Okay, that is very important. I hope the details I have given here will be very useful to all the functional or technical consultants. Please bear in mind functional, domain, and technical and project management base should be well expertise, and you should be thorough in that. Then only you will get into the SAP. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope my videos are very useful. If you like that, please share with your friends, subscribe my videos, like my videos, and press bell button to get a new videos from me. Thanks for watching. This is Shivakkumar signing off.